Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, click on this gear instead. Now select the voice typing section and click on this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard and hit now visible microphone icon. If you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up. Wait for Speak Now command and start typing. When you are finished, hit the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!